34 Victoria Lane, a thoughtfully crafted, single-level new build by Pantheon Construction, LLC. Nestled on a level 0.39-acre lot in Hot Springs Village, this home offers effortless one-level living and an open floor plan filled with natural light from expansive windows, creating a welcoming feel throughout. The heart of the home features a warm and stylish living space centered around a modern fireplace, perfect for cozy evenings. The kitchen is a dream for cooks and entertainers alike, complete with a generous walk-in pantry and plenty of counter space for meal prep and gatherings. Relax in the spacious primary suite, designed as a true retreat with an oversized walk-in closet. Outside, enjoy low-maintenance landscaping and a peaceful setting, highlighted by a large covered patio, ideal for grilling, relaxing, and hosting friends and family. This home boasts a 3-car garage and a Rheem tankless water heater. Conveniently located near the east gate off DeSoto Blvd, you're just moments from top golfing amenities including the Granada, Isabella, and Diamante golf courses and grills, making this a golfer's paradise.